Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Great to have you here. For more than a decade, the smartphone has been the most important piece of technology in our lives. In the United States, people use their phones for almost everything: calling and texting, taking photos, checking the weather, navigating traffic, ordering food, managing finances, working, shopping, streaming entertainment, and connecting with friends. But a major technological shift may already be underway. The next revolution may not be about making smartphones better. It could be about making them less necessary. In this video, we explore the possible death of the smartphone and how a new generation of AI-powered devices could eventually replace or dramatically reduce our dependence on the traditional phone. The biggest change is coming from artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional apps that require users to open, search, tap, and type, AI can understand natural language, context, preferences, and increasingly complex instructions. Instead of opening multiple apps to complete a task, you could simply tell an AI assistant what you want and let it handle the process for you. Imagine walking through New York City wearing lightweight AI glasses. You ask, "Where's the nearest coffee shop?" The AI understands your location, sees your surroundings, and gives you directions without requiring you to pull out your phone. You could ask it to translate a conversation, identify a landmark, summarize a document, send a message, or even help you remember something you saw earlier. This is where AI glasses, smart earbuds, AI wearables, voice assistants, and ambient computing become extremely important. Companies such as Apple, Google, Meta, and other technology leaders are investing heavily in artificial intelligence and next-generation hardware. The goal is increasingly clear: move computing away from the smartphone screen and make technology more natural, contextual, and invisible. The smartphone itself could evolve into a background device, or eventually be replaced by a collection of smaller AI-powered devices working together. But replacing the smartphone will not be easy. Phones have enormous advantages. They are powerful, familiar, relatively affordable, and supported by millions of apps. They also combine a high-resolution display, cameras, microphones, GPS, cellular connectivity, payments, security features, and powerful processors in one device. AI hardware still has major challenges: battery life, privacy, internet connectivity, reliability, cost, data security, and user trust could determine whether consumers actually embrace a post-smartphone future. There is also a bigger question. Do people really want technology that is constantly listening, watching, and analyzing their environment? For American consumers, privacy could become one of the biggest battles of the AI device era. A device that understands where you are, what you see, who you're talking to, and what you're doing could be incredibly useful, but it could also create unprecedented privacy concerns. Still, the potential is enormous. The future may not involve carrying a single device that does everything. Instead, your digital life could be powered by an AI ecosystem: smart glasses for vision and navigation, earbuds for communication, wearable devices for context, and AI agents operating in the background to manage tasks. The biggest transformation may be that technology stops demanding our attention. Today, we constantly look down at screens. Tomorrow, technology could become something we interact with primarily through voice, vision, gestures, and intelligent automation. That doesn't necessarily mean the iPhone or Android phone will disappear overnight. More likely, smartphones will gradually change as AI takes over more of the functions we currently depend on apps to perform. The real question isn't simply, will AI kill the smartphone? It's whether the smartphone will remain the center of our digital lives or become just another piece of technology in a much larger AI ecosystem. The smartphone revolution transformed modern America and the rest of the world. The next revolution could be even bigger: a world where you don't need to constantly use a screen to use technology. And if that happens, the device that replaces your smartphone may not look like a phone at all. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.